Hi everyone, welcome to the Code Crafters channel. My name is Rachel, and I'm here to show you how to create your own AI avatar like me. As you can see, I was created using a combination of cutting-edge AI tools and techniques. I may not be a real human, but I can still communicate and engage with you just like one. The script for this video was written using ChatGPT, an AI language model created by OpenAI. This powerful tool can generate natural language text, just like the script you're reading right now. My voice was created by 11 Labels, a company that specializes in creating high-quality AI voiceovers. Their technology allowed me to have a voice that's natural and engaging. The video you're watching was created using DALL-E 2, an AI video platform that allows you to create dynamic and engaging videos with ease. So are you ready to create your own AI avatar? All you need is a combination of these AI tools and a little creativity. The possibilities are endless. Let's get started. First, we need an image.
Okay friends, so let's go to the Google and we'll type the Midjourney AI and we'll click on this website like Midjourney. Once you click, this website will open and there are two options like join the beta or sign in. If you already have account, so you can click on sign in, and if you don't have, so click on the join the beta. I already have account, so I am clicking on sign in, authorize, and yep, I logged in. So let's go to the Discords, accept invite. Okay, so friends, we are in the Midjourney website. So if you're able to see here, there are so many images. So if you don't know about the Midjourney, so Midjourney is basically text to image AI generation website in which we can basically generate our images from text. And in this, we need to click on new babies. So there are new babies, like these are the channels in which there are several peoples, those are already subscribed and those are already accounts with the Midjourney. They are creating the images. So if you have a subscription, you can generate the image, and for generating image we have a specific prompt for this. So we need to type / imagine, and then afterwards it will ask you for providing the prompt. In terms of prompt, I got it from one of the YouTuber which channel name is Prompt Engineering. So I usually follow them, and it's a really good channel, you can also follow. So here is the prompt, so in which basically what we are trying to do, like we need to get the image of a girl which is wearing t-shirt, white t-shirt, and these are some specifications. With the help of that we can get a proper image. So if you're basically, I would like to inform you more about it. So for generating the prompt we need a subscription, and if you don't have subscription, right, and if you still want to generate, so we have another option as well. So okay, so this newbies channel, right, so newbies channel is basically the channel in which people's already have generated the images and all. So if you want to generate any image which required the amount for which require the subscription, right, you can directly go to the search and you can directly type what prompt we have. Okay, and you can click on any of them. For example, be able to see here, right, like be able to got so many images, and whichever you think like which is best for you and which is best for your video, you can take it from here. So for example, if we go to the second page, here also be able to see the number of images. Okay, so I think this image will be good, so I click on that, open in browser, and I can click on save. We can easily save this image to our desktop. So this is the step 1 in which we want the image and we got it. Let's move ahead for the second step.
So we have just given the query to ChatGPT in which what we are trying to do, like we are trying to generate a video script which is using the DID, Midjourney, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs for creating video. So here's the script which is generated by the ChatGPT, and let's go to the 11 Labs website. The 11 Labs website is basically we will use to generate the voiceover, and I found it really helpful for generating it a voice which is more like human friendly. 11 Lab allow us to generate a voice without signing in or sign up, but there's a limitation of 333 characters. So let's go and do a sign in. I already have account, so I clicked on sign in. If you don't have account, you can click on sign up. Okay, so yeah, I got signed in, and I have pasted the script here, what we have generated with the help of ChatGPT, and here is a different type of multilingual model. So we'll select the 11 multilingual V2 and English, and in terms of voiceovers, I preferred the Rachel, so I selected that. Then afterwards, we'll click on generate. It will take few seconds to generate the voiceover, and once the voiceover is generated, be able to hear it very clearly.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Code Crafters channel. My name is Rachel, and I'm here to show you how to create your own AI avatar like me. As you can see, I was created using a combination of cutting-edge AI tools and techniques. I may not be a real
So we have our voiceover. Let's go to the step 3, in which we try to generate the video with the help of this Midjourney image and audio. In step 3, we'll open the DID Studio, and we'll click on the link. It will open the DID Studio, and then afterwards we need to click on create video. Okay friends, so if you're able to see here, right, like there are already so many avatars are available. There are options related to write a script. It also have good voiceovers. So if you want to create a video with the help of this existing avatars and voiceovers, you can use those as well. Otherwise, what we can do, like, we can click on add, and we'll bring the image that we got from the Midjourney. We'll click on upload. It will take few seconds to upload. In the step 2, we'll click on audio. We'll click on upload. We'll select the audio file and upload it. And if you see, like, we have the audio file, we have the image. We'll click on generate video. Generate. It will take few seconds to generate your video. So video got generated. Let's see. Let's click on the.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Code Crafters channel. My name is Rachel, and I'm here to show you how to create your own AI avatar like me. As you can see, I was created using a combination of cutting-edge AI tools and techniques. I may not be a real human, but I can still communicate and engage with you just like one. The script for this video was written using ChatGPT, an AI.
We can click on download. It will take few seconds to download. But friends, maybe you saw like how easily we able to create the video, which is usually I saw this kind of videos in shorts of YouTube, which have around 1.6 million views or 3 million views. So you can easily create these videos and earn the money with the help of YouTube shorts and this other kind of platforms. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel and like the video.